Building a house is a complicated process that involves many steps. First, you need to clear out the land where the house will be constructed, which means taking down any trees, bushes, or debris that may be in the way. Then, you need to level off the ground to make sure that the foundation will be even. After that, you need to lay down the foundation. This involves digging out a hole for the foundation and pouring in concrete to establish a solid base. Once the concrete has set, you can start putting up the frame of the house by erecting the walls, floors, and roof. Once the framing is finished, you can begin installing the utilities, such as plumbing and electrical wiring. This involves running pipes and wires through the walls and floors, as well as hooking up fixtures like sinks, toilets, and light fixtures. Next, you need to insulate the house to make sure that it stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. This involves adding insulation to the walls and roof, as well as fitting weather stripping around doors and windows. After that, you can start hanging up the drywall, which involves mounting sheets of drywall on the walls and ceilings and then taping and sanding the seams to create a smooth surface. Once the drywall is up, you can begin painting or wallpapering the walls and ceilings. Next, you need to lay down the flooring, which involves placing the subfloor and then putting down the finished flooring on top. This can include hardwood, tile, carpet, or any other type of flooring that you desire. Once the flooring is in place, you can start installing the cabinets, countertops, and other fixtures in the kitchen and bathrooms. This involves measuring and cutting the materials to fit the space, as well as fastening the hardware such as handles and knobs. After that, you can begin fitting the doors and windows, which involves measuring and cutting the frames to fit the openings and then installing the glass and hardware. Once all of these steps are done, you can start finishing the exterior of the house. This involves putting up siding, painting or staining the exterior, and adding any finishing touches such as landscaping or a front porch. Finally, you can move into the house and start enjoying your new home.
That's it for this lesson, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.